talking to each other. I know we feel the same about the situation, like we're stuck inside a game. Time to get out of this circle, yeah, we both carry.
So today's video is part 6 of this bedroom transformation I've been working on. If you missed part 1 through 5, I will have those videos linked below so you can see the makeover start to finish. Today I'm going to be shopping for a rug, curtains, and bedding. So I'm probably going to have to go to a few stores to find all the things that I need. So we're going to go ahead and head off and do a little shopping. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video.
No, we can't stay no more. Come run away. Don't be afraid. We'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do. Let's break away. All colors will fade. Let's go our own way. Now's the time to decide what to do, and I'll stand by you. By you. I'll stand by you. Now's the time to decide what to do. Let's break away. Somehow this is beautiful. Yeah. About time we let things go. Is this our destiny?
Okay, so there are a ton of blankets here.
What?
I really like the color of this one.
What are you getting me?
I like the style of this one, but I don't like the white. I like the tan better. I don't know which one to get. Come here, buddy. Oh man, there's so many choices. There's a dark gray, which I don't want the whole room to be gray. I see you. This one's really pretty too, but it's probably not for like what I'm doing. And I like the plaid. Where's it at? There's one right here. But I don't like the blue color. It's just it's lighter in person. So, all the choices. This green's pretty, but it's not the right color. Okay, so we are leaving Ollie's now. I didn't get anything here. I thought I was for sure gonna find a rug at least, but the prices went up a little bit and they were not the colors I was looking for. So we're gonna try somewhere else. And then the curtains I found, I realized they weren't the grommet kind. I think is how you pronounce it. I don't know how you say it, but they were just the ones that you slide the pole through, and I don't really like those because they're hard to open and close. I feel like my curtain rods always fall and like get messed up. So I decided to put those back and keep looking. So now I think we're gonna go to Ross, see what we can find there. And I ended up finding a few really pretty bedding sets here, but I don't know why, I just couldn't pick one out, and I feel like I just need to keep looking. So we're gonna go with my gut, and I'm gonna go to Ross, see what we can find there. I love this. Don't run into Mom. $26. Not too bad. Not too bad. All right, come this way. Oh, I like how skinny this is. Does it have a price? $20. I like that. So right here I'm at TJ Maxx. I had already went by Ross and I didn't really see anything that was worth filming, so I didn't film much in there. But here at TJ Maxx, I thought that this comforter set was going to be perfect. But the more I walked around the store, the more I noticed how easily it would snag, and I didn't want a blanket that was going to have a bunch of runs in it, so I decided to put that back and keep looking. Oh, let's go this way. It is.
Yeah,
Oh, I like that. And that. Okay. Just don't hit anything, okay? Come this way. Okay. I heard you.
come up.
I can get in the front.
Yeah, let me get in front.
Okay, go forward a little bit. Go up. Just be careful. Does it smell good? I love those stools. Okay, so my son passed out. My little shopping buddy can't handle it. We went into TJ Maxx and I bought a blanket, a throw blanket. And as soon as I stepped out the door, it was like purple. Because like, you know how sometimes grays can pull like more purple? And I know that this bedroom has a lot of natural light, so I knew it was going to look purple in the room, so I just went ahead and returned it. So I didn't get nothing. I haven't gotten anything. I did end up finding like a body spray, but that's it. So, you know what? Walmart, I feel like, is going to be the place. Walmart and Dollar General, it's just, I feel like they just have everything that I'm going to need. I'm trying to open up my salad. I got a Cobb salad from Chick-fil-A. The line there is always ridiculous, but they do move pretty fast. Honestly, I mean, the line could be even shorter at McDonald's, and it would still take longer. So, anyway, I'm going to eat my salad and park here while he's taking a nap, and then head to Walmart, wake him up, run into Walmart, get what I need to get, and then hopefully find some stuff, because at this point, I feel like this all day today was for absolutely nothing. Just looking around, window shopping, basically. But I am getting lots of ideas. My wheels are starting to spin a little bit, so it's not like it's for nothing. Like, I'm obviously looking around at things, getting ideas. I'm really having a hard time, I feel like, with this room, because I really wanted to go with a different style, something other than what I'm used to. And then I was talking to my sister-in-law about it, and I was like, I think I'm just overthinking it. You know how sometimes you overthink things and it takes way longer than it should? That's kind of where I'm at. So I think I'm just going to go with my gut and go with what I love and what I know works and call it a day. Because the more I overthink it, the more it's going to like stress me out, and I don't want this to be a stressful project. I want this to be a fun project. That's the whole point. So yeah, I'm just going to roll with it and see what happens. So that's the plan at this point. Okay, I am now at Walmart. I'm gonna run in here, see if I can find anything, because I didn't find anything else while I was at the other stores. I went to Ollie's, TJ Maxx, Ross today, and Dollar General, and I didn't find anything. So hopefully Walmart pulls through today, and I can get what I need so I can be done, and then hopefully decorate tomorrow. Alright, so here I'm at Walmart. I am filming this as a voiceover just because the music was really loud at this moment, and I wanted to share with you that they have a really great selection of rugs, but our Walmart only had 5x7s. They didn't have any of the big rugs that they usually have, and I think it's just because they're moving around the store and stuff, so I don't know what they did with the big rugs. But they did have a ton of curtains, and I ended up finding a really pretty set. I even happened to find a set that I really like for my living room, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to go back and get them just because I feel like the curtains I have in my house right now, they're just so stark white, and I've kind of been more into the darker colors lately, and I would like to have a little bit more texture on my curtains.
I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so surreal. Think I want you here.
All right, y'all, so I am hot and sweaty. I have been cleaning up here. I'm up here at the house right now, and I'm gonna get started on decorating. So before I do get started, I just wanted to mention I don't have everything that I need for this space. I will probably end up having to come back up here and do like a full reveal whenever everything is completely done, but I am gonna share with you what I have so far. And yeah, next video, what I'm gonna do to like share with you the final reveal of the room is I'll just do like a full time lapse, start to finish, of the bedroom, and then just show you the full room done in the last clip. So that will be my plan. That seems just to be like the best option right now. I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just winging it here. So let's go ahead and decorate with what I do have and see how the room comes together. Okay, so before I get started, I'm going to just show you a little pan over of what the room looks like right now. I'm going to start by hanging up the curtains. I did purchase these curtain rods from Ollie's a few weeks ago. These were $5.99 each, and they're actually really great quality. I'm very impressed with how cheap they are and how nice they are. Now I'm going to go ahead and hang up the curtains that I purchased from Walmart. These are the Kinley light gray Eclipse blackout curtains. I will link them below if I can find this exact set. I really love the color. I think it's a great neutral. Right here in this video clip, they look a lot darker than they are, but it's just because my camera's facing the window, so the lighting is a little off. In the final reveal, you can see the true color of them, and I think they're really beautiful. The quality is great, and they're $16.88 per panel, which to me, that's a little on the pricey side for curtains, but sometimes I feel like, you know, you just gotta splurge on them, especially if you like a certain color and texture. Now moving on to this picture I got from Goodwill, I'm gonna take out the original photo and replace it with one that I took up here at the property. The photo that I took was kind of like last minute thing. I didn't actually plan on using this photo. I have a really beautiful place that I want to go take a picture of, but I've been on like a time crunch recently. It's just been pretty hectic around here, so I already had this photo on my phone and I quickly printed it through Walgreens using a 60% off coupon, so it was like super cheap and it worked great for this frame. But I don't really love the color of the matted area. To me, it's like really like mustard colored, so I will be replacing that soon. Oh my gosh, you gotta be kidding me. It worked, but there's something in the frame. Do y'all see it? Oh. So to add to the mess ups today, I also purchased a rug from Lowe's that I really loved, but it was a little too small. I bought a 5x8, and because the room is long and skinny, I thought that I could make it work, but it just looked awkward with the bed. So I was like, you know what? No, I'm going to return this and get a bigger one so that way it looks good. And I exchanged that. Also ended up grabbing 2 more panels while I was out. So here I am a few days later, just hanging up the new curtains.
Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could run and drive.
All right, so the bedroom is done. It looks so good. I'm so excited to share it with you, but I will be doing the final reveal in tomorrow's video. And before you get mad at me, don't get mad. I know how annoying that is when a YouTuber's like, I'll share with you tomorrow or next week. And then you're like, what? Let me see. That's how I feel right now. I want to share it with you, but all the footage is on this phone. I got a new phone and I was so excited to start filming on it. I started this vlog / shop with me and decorate. And then halfway through filming it, I was like, so stressed out because all the bigger videos of me decorating are on this phone, because I was trying to film everything and finish up the makeover on this one so that way I could do like a good before and after. And then I tried to transfer the videos to this one. It's like technology, it's not working. So I decided, you know what, I'll end today's video and make sure that I have tomorrow's video up so you don't miss it. So make sure you stay tuned for tomorrow's video. It's going to be amazing to see the before and after. I will also be going over the cost of the bedroom makeover, and what else did I want to share? Also, I'll be talking about the next room in the house that I'm going to be working on. So you don't want to miss that one. But thank you guys so much for hanging out with me over the past couple days. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.
You and I till the end.